Hey everybody, it's back. I'm Fancy and I'm back. So we're back to another pack opening. And here we go. Boom, boom. It sucks. So far. Okay, these stupid silvers. Whew. Let's get these 10 out of the way. Because they're gonna be just all silvers, crap silvers. Never gonna use them because I don't like the current cards. Because greens can go down. I know I have some in my lineup, but yeah. So let's see now. We should open these three. A 73. Okay. To my platinum draft. A 68. Okay. Then to my signature player. A 67. Signature was worse than the platinum. Yay! Now, since you know what, I got some golden balls, we're gonna use them. See what we can get. I think we're gonna get a rookie draft. Maybe, yep. Because they always give their back crap. It's just really stupid. Come on, give me the draft tickets. Not the head-to-head. I hate the head-to-head tickets. Never use them. But then... Okay. Oh, come on. Special edition pro draft, please. Oh, gosh. It just hates me. I don't know if I pulled some signatures and platinum drafts in this wheel. Come on. I don't really care. Take the gold. I don't care. They both suck. Again, they both suck. Can't rather have their tickets because I use those stupid crap. Wish I can just sell my tickets. Gold or something. There, MLB, put that up. Give me the legend, please. Please, just one over. Gosh. Come on. Let's go. Let's get this going and done. Well, there's all this stuff, so we're just gonna clamp all that. Go over here and open it. Well, we can. It's probably just rookie drafts and the stupid random box. All it's gonna be is just tickets. Yep, I called it. Well, boom. I don't know what else to say, and then show you my team. Oh wait, there is another thing we can do. Okay. So far, okay, so you see my no Johnny Guido? I got a good version, special edition. And here's my other one, which during the regular season I use. And well, just trying to get him out because I'm just afraid he's going to go down. His rating's going to go down. It's going to screw me over. Same thing with Jake Arrieta. Got the same one right there. And you see over here, Jake Arrieta right there. Boom. Man, these guys suck. And then, same thing for my batters. You see here? Okay, let me scroll over. There. I got this Albert Pujols. I'm not sure if I want to keep him. I might even get rid of Johnny Voto. Just because he's a 90, he's an 89. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, first basemen. Wow. And yeah. Let's see, we could do that one thing I was about to say. Might as well. Yeah, I only got 3 stars, got over 400,000 coins. Using that to rank up players. And now, let's buy small star draft packs. Shebang. Okay. Hey, a Cardinal. 64 overall. Not what I'm looking for, but meh. And now we got the rest of these suckers to open. I don't want to say I want a rookie draft. Okay. One more. We'll end this video. Call it a day. 2. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. You know what? Let's do one more thing in this video. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can get a good trade. I don't know. I don't do this often, but got some. I got this signature card. I can trade, and you know what? Step it up a little bit. I'm sorry, Carlos. Probably have to get rid of you soon anyway, so you're going. Let's see, and then we'll add let's add this. No. You're not you. You are. And then there was that 70 I want to get rid of. Here we go. Whoa, wait, what? Oh. Yeah. This will work. 2 from the Mets. 1 for the Reds and 1 from the Blue Jays. We go Blue Jays first. Okay, Reds. This was a waste. I should have just put on the training. Yep. Screw it. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Well, that was not a good trade-off. I wish I could just decline it. It was terrible. I should have just... Gosh dang it. So I should have just done this. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye. Boom. What is worse? Skill velocity. See if it goes up. You can keep gaming. You know what, I'll just do that later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And hopefully I can upload more today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'm sorry guys, but I'm just been kind of busy. Yep. School, basketball, all that. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.